Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can change your profile photo in Facebook. Maybe you want to change your profile photo in Facebook because you have a good image, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can change your profile picture on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into the home page. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, you'll be directed into this. And as you can see in here, you need to tap on this profile icon. And then you'll be directed to your profile page. And today, you will see here your profile picture. If you want to change your profile picture, simply tap on your profile picture. Once you tap on it, there will be an option to show. You see here, see profile picture, select profile picture, import from Instagram, and create avatar profile picture. In here, select the select profile picture. Once you select it, simply choose the photo that you want. After that, you'll be directed into this page. You can crop the image by tapping on this cropping button, and then you can make your profile picture as temporary, and you can also add frames. And then in here, you can put something description about your profile photo. After that, simply tap on the save button. And as you can see, uploading your profile picture. And as you can see, your profile is now updated. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to change your profile picture on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your profile picture on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.